is O Meter model BFM884DQN-60. I put new batteries in it and it doesn't turn on. So I'm going to put the batteries out. I know the batteries are good. I'm going to take this apart and see what I can find out what's wrong with it. Take it apart. There's a couple screws. There's this screw, that screw, this one, that one, this one, and this one, and probably this little one down here. Get all the screws out. You're going to flip it back on this back side, and this will be able to be lifted up. And you lift it up this way. You can see there's a switch here, there's a switch there. It's actually part of the scale. There. Now we got it fully out. I'm looking for like a broken wire, or a broken connector. Get it like this. Notice down here at the bottom right, there's a red and a black wire, along with the white, gray, and the orange. And over here it's just the white, gray, and the orange. But this is the activator for your scale. So when you step on it, this foot pad here starts the sequence for this to work right. And these tabs here, these little plastic tabs, you got to get in between them. And you're going to use a screwdriver or something flat, and you're going to push it out like this. And you're going to go on this side, this side, this side, and this side. And eventually, this will just drop down. And you can see the red wire here. There's the black wire on one side of the switch. And the red wire is just it's free floating. So we need to find where that red wire used to go. Now I've already taken the bumper pad off here and it didn't show me anything. So there's this plastic clamps here. I'm going to pull that on that side and on this side, and we'll see if this will drop that down so we can get to the switch. It's a better view of it. So I got my light off. That plastic one there and this plastic one here. I'm going to pull that off and see what it should release this metal piece here from the plastic. And it did. So I'm going to release this. And it looks like there's where my red wire should be soldered. See that little ball there? So this little contact point here in the center must short out to the contact point, and you can see right there exactly what happened. It gets right here. So I need to take and strip back this red wire here and solder it back to that where that little ball of solder is, right there. And the scale should be working again. Here's another cool science for you. This center piece here, where my thumb is, and you see where the orange and white and gray wire goes to, that's actually what's called a load cell, and it's going to be measuring the difference, probably in milliamps. So when you sit on this plate, that thing will physically move and bend. So you're actually putting force on this plate, and that's how that scale works. Look, there's two tabs on the left there. The holes are lined up like that on the scale. To get it back together, you press on the thing, and it comes back on. And that's how you fix your health O meter scale. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, leave me a comment. I'll see you next time.